Falls are one of the most common causes of workplace injuries and deaths. Recently, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported slips, trips, and falls accounted for over 300,000 non-fatal injuries and 800 fatal work injuries in a single year. Falls from ladders accounted for 20% of all fatal falls. To help avoid these needless and tragic incidents, OSHA regulates ladder use in all general industry workplaces under Subpart D, Walking Working Surfaces. This program is designed to help you understand OSHA's requirements for working with ladders. Specifically, it will cover the potential hazards and protective measures you can take while working with ladders to keep you safe. And after completing this program, you'll be able to recognize potential hazards related to ladders, identify the different types of ladders and their main components, and describe safety measures to take when using ladders. In order to reduce the risk of injury, it's important you're aware of situations that can pose potential hazards when working with ladders. There are three main types of hazards: unsafe environments, unsafe equipment, and unsafe behavior. Many times, it's the environment that creates the fall hazard. In this example, the worker inspects the equipment to make sure it's safe before use, but the environment itself creates a hazard because the ladder is in front of a door. By not barricading the area, this worker puts himself and others around him at risk of injury. OSHA broadly defines a ladder in 29 CFR 1910.21b as a device with rungs, steps, or cleats used to gain access to a different elevation. This includes ladders made from wood, metal, fiberglass, and composite material. The types of ladders covered in OSHA's definition and in this training program include portable ladders, mobile ladder platforms and stands, and fixed ladders. Portable ladders can easily be moved or carried and provide access to other surface levels. Portable ladders vary in design and size, but usually consist of side rails joined at intervals by steps, rungs, or cleats. They can be self-supporting or lean against a supporting structure. There are a variety of portable ladders regulated by OSHA, including step stools, step ladders, straight ladders, extension ladders, and combination ladders. While using a ladder seems pretty straightforward, you have many things to consider before taking that first step up. First, you'll need to select the right ladder. Will that be a portable ladder, a mobile ladder platform, or stand? You'll likely have at least a few options when it comes to choosing a ladder, but there are some things to consider to ensure you're selecting the right one for the job. Ask yourself, what are you using the ladder for, and what are the conditions in the environment where the ladder will be used? You'll need to be aware of any uneven surfaces or obstructions, and if you're working near sources of electricity, avoid ladders made of metal and choose fiberglass or wood instead. This worker needs to change a light bulb in a fluorescent pendant fixture hanging above a workstation in the middle of a manufacturing area. In this case, based on the location of the workstation, using a straight ladder, extension ladder, or fixed ladder would not be an option. Next, at what height are you expected to reach to perform the job? Ladder safety should never be taken for granted. Because falls from ladders are among the most common causes of serious work-related injuries and deaths, it's important we all comply with the regulations. By identifying potential hazards and using the right ladder in the right way, you can help prevent ladder-related falls from even occurring in the first place.